Yes, sir. It's your boy. Use his front camera. It's your boy. It's just Dre. Back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Today we got some I've been wanting to do for forever. And since today I got time, I'm outside with it. I literally woke up, didn't brush my teeth, didn't do nothing. I already smell like ass. That's my boy Brandon. I already smell like ass outside. It's kind of a little humid, but I got the fan going. So today we are doing the BBK upgrade. BBK upgrade. We have the Akebonos on this side, purple. And then over here, we got the pinks. Took the tires off the 285s right there, boy. You know, 285. We'll change it pretty soon, later on down the line, later on soon. But yeah, so far, you know what I'm saying, I've already taken off the 2 bolts that holds the old caliper. Took that off, so I'm gonna use a clamp for my brake hose. Clamp it, and then you gotta use some banjo bolts from Z1 Motorsport. Let me see if I can get those two right here. You gotta get these. Ugh. Okay, so these are the copper screws you'll need. You need 2 on each one. They sent me just a bunch of them. I don't know why, but I really appreciate you, Z1 Motorsports. And then the banjo bolts. This is the only way you're going to be able to transfer your 4 pistons to your 6 pistons. You're going to need these in these copper fittings. So, but 2 of them go on each one. So right now that's on the process I'm doing. Right now I'm about to knock this rotor out and then put on the R1 concept rotor, drilled and slotted. And then for this, you can either, I've seen people either cut it off or you can just bend it back. So I think I might just bend it back. I don't think I have nothing right now to cut it. So I'm gonna just bend it back for the moment. And then I'm gonna do both sides like that. Then I'm gonna get back with you until it's time to take off the new brake line. I mean, I said take off the new brake line. Take off the brake line and put on 6-piston Akebono right there. So y'all stay tuned. Give me like 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes out. Yes, sir. And we back. Sweating. Balls sticking to my thigh. Excuse me before it just came out of my mouth, but it's hot. Rears are on. I just gotta bleed them. I'm gonna show you how to bleed them in a few, but I just want to show you. This is probably the hardest part, is bending this crap back. Once you bend this back, you'll be good. Slap the rotor on there, it stays. Then you're gonna take, see if I can get a good angle. You're gonna take this bolt out of the old caliper. You're gonna remove it. I use my not a torque, what you call it, drill. It's like a little handheld one. Unscrewed it, took off the 2 old copper strippings off of it, and then put 2 new ones in there on this side and this side that connect the brake caliper. It's gonna look something like that. I'm trying to get a good angle. It's gonna look something like that. And that is the finishing product. Voila. Now all you do is slap those 2 bolts you took out to remove the old caliper, and you slap right back in the same way. And wow. And we're gonna go to the other side. Whew. I've been working. This one was a pain in the butt to get off. I don't know what happened to this rotor, but this rotor was just a pain in the ass. But finally got it off. Like I said, the hardest thing about it was just folding these things back, bro. And I finally got them. That way they don't touch. Just make sure I'm gonna have to do a test drive. Make sure it don't rub as it goes. I already tested my wheels on here, and they do fit with the big brakes on there, so that's a plus. And then what I'm running is 285, 35, 20. So it does clear the big brakes front and back. So yeah, And I did the same thing over here as well with that bolt. Put that bolt in there, and that's about it. Then my old ones are in there, and the only thing I gotta do now is just bleed it. And I'm about to show you how to bleed it the old school way. I ain't really like the tools because they ain't really have no good ratings on the tools. So I'm gonna do it the old school way with the bottle and 2 tubes, and I'm about to bleed it for y'all. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. We back with it. I just wanted to show you guys the hoses I use. I basically got this from Walmart. It was literally like a pump. You find it in the automotive section. I think I paid like $4 or $5 for it. And you can just disconnect it from there. And then I ran my hoses like this. Came to the brake caliper. You're gonna have 2 of these bleeders on both sides. You're gonna take this one off. Let's see if I can hold up. Yeah, all right, there you go. And then you're gonna put it on there like this. It's literally the perfect size for it. And this is literally how you bleed it. And I got a water bottle, as you can see over there. That is all the brake fluid that after I bled it, that's the remaining brake fluid. Luckily, like when it touches water, when it touches air, that's how the color comes out. So I literally had a water bottle with some of the brand new brake fluid in there. Probably filled it up about that much, not too much. And literally bled them on both sides. Literally got an 11 millimeter wrench, and just you're gonna turn it right there and back and forth just to bleed it. And that was it. And luckily, like, it came out. But make sure you check your brake reservoir for fluid, because I was bleeding it and I didn't have no brake fluid in there, so I was bleeding nothing but air in there. So I had to go back and redo this side and you do this side. But the backs came out great. And like I said, it's a good look. I like it. It looks stupid. Yes, sir. Y'all comment and tell me down below what you think about it. Got more things on the way, sir. And I'm thinking about wrapping this piece black. I seen people do that. It looks kind of loud. I think I might do it. But yeah, that's literally how you bleed it. I literally went there. Walmart got like a little $5 hose. I ain't want to spend $30-$40 on the bleeder. Old school way was the best way. And then you're gonna need some tools to break it apart, and that's about it. So yeah. Okay, we back. It's your boy, Is This Dre. I'm not gonna lie to you. Kind of upset I didn't even finish recording the process, but I can just walk you guys through it for sure. So I'm literally at a Nissan dealership right now. So I did this, guys, for you. So y'all gotta like and subscribe to this video. So big brake Dre is intact. I have the purples on this side and I have the pinks on the other side. Like I said, I really wasn't nothing to it. So all I did was take off the rotor, etc. Bent this plate back. I showed y'all back there, same thing. But this one's a little bit easier. The front is easier. I recommend do the backs first, then do the fronts, okay? So this is your bleeder. You have 2 of these on each side. I took like a hose. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a little hose. It's like 1/2 inch hose, and then go on this side and go on that side. And then you got somebody in the car that's pumping your brakes for the first round. You do like 10 pumps, and then make sure you checking your brake reservoir, and then you pump it 10 times, and then you get like an 11 millimeter wrench, and you put it right there, and you open and close it. So when he does 10 pumps and stops and says he's ready for you, you open it, then close it. Open it, then close it. Then he'll pump it another 8 times. Then you come back here, you open it and close it. For both sides, you just gotta rotate it from both sides. So you do this one first, then you do the back one first, this one first, and the back first. I did about 3 to 4 rounds on each one. I had to go back and do these again because I ran out of brake fluid, but it's all good. I had some old ones sitting on the shelf, so it all turned out good. So y'all let me know what the caliber's hitting for. Like I said, I got the purples on this side. Please don't mind the rim scuffs. I will be getting those repaired soon. But it's got some flaws. And I got the pinks on this side. Y'all just let me know what y'all think. Look fresh, bro. Like a red sport, but it's not a red sport. It's a Luxe. But yeah, yes sir. Y'all boys go ahead, comment down below. Tell me how you feel about the car. It is looking super clean. Super clean. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I will answer them. And yeah. And also, I will share the link if you do want to upgrade your big calibers for like the Luxes, people who don't come with the big brakes. You can get it from Amazon. I can show you the link. And then you get the rotors from R1 Concepts as well. So I can put the links down below. Just let me know. That way y'all can, upgrade your brakes. It's really worth it. It looks way better, like I said. But yeah. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. And vibe with your boy. I got more stuff coming soon. So please go ahead and like up the video. Let me know what you think. Peace.